Hey, what's up, YouTube? Good, wonderful morning. Sandy C here with some uncommon sense. And I just want to do a quick video and get it out to you of how to make sick days suck less and to be prepared. A lot of us don't get sick all the time. A lot of us get sick all the time. I was one of those don't get sick all the time people. So when I did get sick, it totally sucked because I had no medicine. I had to make that trip into public, and go get the medicine, and you're kind of stuck with what they have. You're probably not going to catch a sale. You're going to pay the most price. You might not get the brand or the type exact you want. You're dealing with other people. You're possibly spreading those germs being in public. So here's one way to just adult and make sick days suck less. Go ahead and let you check this out. I'm just going to open it. We're going to do this quick. All right. So you go in here, look. And I'm not a medical professional. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just have stuff. I like to kind of have the Walgreens or the CVS in the house. You got your Bobo Aleve stuff. You got your real stuff. I got stuff for, your mud butt and your guts. I got all that good stuff. And the other thing I do is because now I don't necessarily need it, the way I buy more, I wait for a BOGO. Buy one, get one. Boom. Then I'll add that to my thing. So let's go through. I got some peroxide. I got lots of alcohol and sanitizer. Got the ointments. Eye drops. We got our stomach section over here. We got our pain relief section here. We've got some stuff for sore throats. Creams for poison ivy. Nasal sprays, ear cleaners, sickness prevention, Band-Aids, your quills, both day and night. And like I said, when I get something, I only buy it when I see there's buy one, get one on my regular shopping trips, and I go ahead and throw it in the cart. Actually got another little closet filled with some more stuff. So I know that's a very quick, very incomplete video, but I just wanted to get that out there, something for you to think of. You don't have to go out there and spend $1 million, and because the sky hasn't fallen yet, it's real easy. You can make orders online if you don't want to go anywhere because gas is crazy. You kind of have a little bit more time right now. It's not a crazy rush. People aren't out there. So look for that when you're shopping. If you see, a regular drug that you'll need, especially if you have kids that get a cold or something like that. If you see it on a BOGO or some kind of sale, pick it up. You don't have to go nuts. Don't buy the whole row of them. Just pick a few up, put them in a closet somewhere, and start slowly stacking and building this stuff up. That way when it does happen, you're not part of that rush. You're also not a hoarder at that point. Because if you're doing this before, you're just preparing and it's stockpiling. Hoarding is when the S hits the fan, and then you all run out and buy everything. That's not cool. You just screwed everybody, So go out there now. Just start preparing a little here and there. And I'll make more videos going more in depth, add some pricing, other stuff like that. But anybody in the comments, if there's any bad brands in there that aren't good, let us know. This is Ninja Nation. I'm overwhelmed. You guys are beyond words. I'm going to cut it off before I just lose it because you guys are amazing. I love you. So I got things to do, but I wanted to get this out real quick, and I'll come back to you with a more in-depth part 2. But the point is, you need medical supplies too. So go out there and start getting them now while it's not crazy yet and while they're not crazy priced. That way you can hunt for the bargains. Awesome. Well, you guys have a wonderful day. I'm going to go celebrate a great friend's birthday and have some fun. And I'll see you in another video. Thank you all so much, Ninja. I love you.